What's going on, everybody? So it's a few days after my little top speed run and killing my motor in my little truck. So today I'm gonna try to tear into it and see if I can figure out what's making the racket inside of her. It done got dark on me here, but I'm gonna start by pulling the valve covers off, see if it's anything valve train related, and if not, then we'll dig deeper. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Should be able to. Yeah, it's got a little ticking to it. Like that wide open run, I don't think you like that too much. Alright, got both the valve covers off, and there's one, let's see. Yeah, this one right here. So that's most likely where the noise is coming from. Ain't got none over here really that loose. I haven't spun the motor over yet to check any other ones. I'm about to do that real quick. I think maybe lifter may have collapsed or something like that. Plug the hot for the distributor. That way I can spin it over without it starting up. Alright, I spun it over a few times, went over all of them. They all seem to be pretty good except for this one right here. So I rolled it over to where this valve's starting to open. That way that one be completely loose. And I'm gonna tighten it up and then start it up and see how it runs. I believe it either collapsed the lifter or wiped the lobe on my cam. Hoping it's just a lifter though. But I'm gonna at least tighten this up and start it up and see if the noise is gone anyhow. Alright, tighten that up. I just set the valve covers on there and keep from blowing oil everywhere. Plug the distributor back in, see what it does. Smooth now and running on all 8 cylinders. I hear a little sticking, but I think it's just a header leak. That's about what it sounded like before. Alright, so it's been a few days since I come out here and pulled the valve cover off and found the rocker arm loose. So I figured I'd come out here tonight since I ain't got nothing else to do. It's about 7 o'clock. And I'll pull this intake off and see if maybe caved the lifter in, or wipe the cam off, or if the rocker arm loosened up from vibration or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna pull this intake and find out. Alright, so just pulled my carburetor off, and as you can see, something missing. Yeah, a little piece goes right there that pumps the accelerator pump. Fell apart. Actually, I think I got an old carburetor out there with a good base plate. I can use it. Just swap the base plates out. Got the intake off. I think it was number 4 back. Alright, so got her pulled apart, and then when I took off this 4th rocker back, it was already loosened up again from the little bit I I run it the other day after I tightened it up. So now I pulled the lifter out. As you can see, it looks like it's caved in. I believe that's what happened to it. And the clip is missing because I took the clip out of it. And this one here I pulled out to look at it because I was looking at the cam loops. They do look fine. So I think it's just the lifter. I pulled it out to look at it, and the clip was already missing out of the top of it. And I dropped this piece on the ground, so that's why it's not in there. So I think it's maybe just these lifters that are not that great. As you can see, the bottom of this one out of number 4, or the 4th one back, looks kind of rough. And then this one here is pretty smooth. So yeah, I think this is the end of this video. I'll get some lifters eventually next week or so, or maybe a few days, and put it back together and see what happens. But for now, you can like, comment, subscribe if you want to. Stay tuned, see what happens. Or we got some stuff on the 66 Chevelle Malibu over there about to happen as soon as I get all the parts. So yeah, stay tuned for more if you want to. Later. Also found a little bit of JB Weld, mixed me some up with a little stick. Put it on there. Gonna let it sit overnight, see what happens.